PD6B AWARM. By adding a pair of 5-axis robotic arms to PD6B's 44-pound payload platform, the PD6B AWARM can work in high places, collect dangerous materials, as well as pick up or set down cargo in remote areas. The robot arms can carry a max